my name is Lauren and this is
Maggie.
And today we have a really cool art project that you can do at home. This is our way of playing with you guys today. So the first material that I have is paper. You can use any type of paper, but the sturdier the better. We have shaving cream. Any shaving cream will do. Now I have a pipette and a straw. Either one will do. And we'll go over how to use the straw in a second for this art activity. You're going to need, I guess, any type of swirling material will do, but I'm going to use a fork today and you'll kind of see how we do that. I have watercolor, but food dye or food coloring will work as well. I have popsicle stick and a piece of cardboard. You're going to need a tray, but any sort of cooking tin, any shallow tin will do. A piece of newspaper and something to protect your table so we don't get too messy today. This is an example of what we're going to make today. Okay, so Maggie, what I want you to do first is take that shaving cream and put it on this tray. Try to kind of go all around the tray with it. Nice job. It's very cool, isn't it? You see how it's bubbling up? All right, so now take, let's go with the popsicle stick for this one.
Okay.
And just smooth it out a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to give yourself an even surface there. But like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Is that pretty good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Nice job. Yep, go ahead and set that down. That's why we have the table cover. So let's go ahead and use the straw.
Okay.
Yep, grab your straw. So, pick out your colors. Which ones do you want to use first? I do recommend, because I have all the colors of the rainbow, to go lightest to darkest. So if you want to do yellow, I would do that first.
Let's do yellow then.
Okay, go ahead and dip your straw all the way in. And then put your thumb on the top.
Okay.
Yep, lift it up. You'll notice that that liquid watercolor stays in the straw. It's a nifty little trick. And now you're going to go over your shaving cream and release your thumb.
Whoa.
Yep. And you can even, like I said, yep, shake your straw a little bit. You'll see those cool splatters there. Now go ahead and pick another color.
Let's do green.
Nice choice. It's okay. Have fun. It's okay if we make a little mess.
Okay.
Messes are okay.
We'll do more green.
Here at the Children's Museum, we like to get a little messy. Messy is a way we like to play sometimes.
And then can I just put in the blue too?
Go for it.
Okay.
That's a pretty cool
Yeah.
big blob there.
Ooh, and if you put the blue and yellow together. Yeah.
You do? What color do you make?
Green.
Nice job. It's fun to mix colors in these new ways.
Some purple.
Go for it.
How
Let me
much-
know when you feel like you have enough color in there. That's when we'll move on to the next
Okay.
step.
Oops.
It's okay.
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 Should
So
I add
now-
more?
It's really up to you. What do you
Okay.
think?
I like this.
Very cool.
Okay.
Now, if you look closely, you'll see that there's some watercolor that's just on the surface there. That's because there's molecules in shaving cream that both love and really don't love water. So in the liquid watercolor, some of the liquid watercolor soaked in and some stayed at the top because, like I said, this molecule likes both water and doesn't like water. So it kind of does a little bit of both. That's why this project is really cool too.
Okay.
So I want you to take that fork and now using these ends here, just kind of swirl it around. There's really no wrong way to swirl. It's up to you. See how those colors are moving around?
Yeah. How much should I swirl?
Whenever there's really, keep on going. There's really no wrong way to do it. When you feel like it's ready, let me know.
Okay.
All right. Now just set that down.
Okay.
Very good. Now take a piece of paper. You're going to set it right on top, but don't push it all the way in. Just let it right on top there. And then we're going to lightly just pat. You can see how the colors are kind of coming.
Oh, yeah.
See that? Now, should be good.
Okay.
Now that we got all of the burners down, now you're going to take it up gently, lift it up, and you're going to put it on the newspaper. Yep.
Okay.
Yep, that side up, perfect. Now take the piece of cardboard. You can
Right.
also use your popsicle stick from earlier. And then I'm gonna hold this down and you're just going to go ahead and push your cardboard across your paper. We're gonna push off that extra shaving